In this video, I'll show you how to sew bias tape around curved areas of a garment, such as the neckline or armholes. To start, I open up the fold of the bias tape. The right side of the fabric around the neckline is facing me and is on top. Then I open up the fold of the bias tape and place it around the neckline, making sure the right side of the bias tape is facing the right side of the fabric while the wrong side is facing up. Then I started stitching around the neckline, sewing directly along the fold line of the bias tape. Now I'm going to fully open up the bias tape and fold it inward toward the inside of the garment. As you can see in the video, from the right side of the garment, I stitch along the bias tape about 1 mm from the edge. Now I'm going to trim away the excess bias tape so I can finish the final stitching and clean up the edges. Now I fold the extra bias tape I left at the beginning and end inward, and make a small stitch to secure it in place. Now at this stage, I fold the entire bias tape toward the inside of the garment and finish by stitching along the edge to secure it in place. As you can see in the video, I need to stitch about 1 mm from the edge. Finally, I stitch all the way around the back neckline opening. For sewing the bias tape around the armhole, you'll follow exactly the same steps.